concept of bought and sold time when it comes to reporting highlights the relationship between where staff sit in terms of teams and the type of work they do across different job types. This is highlighted here in this reporting services structured report delivered through our PRQ intranet site, where we have a matrix with staff partner, or the teams individuals belong to, down the rows, and the matter partners along the columns here, effectively where the jobs sit. And this matrix report allows us to drill down and see the staff members and the totals of work that they have done for their own teams. In this case, we can see Cary Grant here. Audrey Hepburn has done 8 hours billable time for Cary Grant's team, but also done 5.5 hours in this time frame for George Clooney's team, and the type of work that George is in charge of. James Dean's 11 hours, and so on and so forth. So it's quite a good way of gauging where staff are applying their time and the crossover between the staff teams and the jobs they are doing. Here we have the Power BI presentation of bought and sold data. The information in the background is identical to what we've just seen in that more structured delivery through reporting services and the PRQ intranet site. It's all about the relationship between the staff or the staff teams and the type of work and where that work is belonging to within the system. We have a time frame down the side here, so you can choose whole years, specific months, by simply clicking the required option. In this case, we'll stick with the whole year of 2020. Along the top, we have all the staff teams. It's broken into staff partner, manager, and department. By simply clicking one of those staff partners, it filters the whole dashboard by, in this case, Nicolas Cage, in concept to him being a staff partner. And you can see the relationships where the work sits across the other staff teams at a manager department level, but more importantly, the type of work and where the jobs sit for his staff and his team. Down at the bottom here, we have a very similar matrix report as you saw before through the reporting service delivery, where Nicolas Cage's team is shown where the hours across the different jobs and the different matter or job partners in this case are in the system. If you wish to get a more granular view, we can delve into a manager or department approach where we can click a specific manager, and again, exactly the same as you saw previously, filters the whole report by, in this case, Sandra Bullock as a staff manager, and you can see the relationship in terms of the team across the different partners, departments, and so on, and the breakdown of Sandra Bullock's staff across the different teams, whether they be staff partner teams here or the matter partner where the jobs sit. Taking it slightly further, we have a second tab which highlights some charts which show this relationship quite nicely. We focus in on this top chart here, where it's again the matter partner relationship with the staff partner. We have the staff partners along the bottom axes here. We have Cary Grant, and you can see graphically the amount of work that his team has sold to other partners. In this case, if we focus in on Nicolas Cage, if we select that bubble, it filters the other charts and also the table below, so you can get the granular information to see exactly what's going on in terms of Nicolas Cage from a job or matter partner perspective and the time that he has received from Cary Grant's team. And finally, we have the bought and sold time data presented through our Excel templates. Exactly the same information, exactly the same concepts. In this case, we have a pivot here showing our staff partner attributes down the rows here, with the matter partner along the columns, and with that ability to drill down into the staff members and see that relationship on what time has been sold across the different Meta partners. We have our normal filters from a time point of view, but the massive advantage of using the Excel template is you have access to everything available in the source data, in this case the utilization cube, where you can drag and drop other measures, calculations, and filters onto the report to get exactly what you want.